Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is Friday, October the 10th, and this is Henry. Let's take a look at the USD Yen for the chart of the day. Here is a 60 minutes time frame. We are looking for an impulsive move up here. So finish with 1 with 2 here, and then with 3 should be ending pretty soon. After that, we should be getting a 3 waves pullback or a 7 swing pullback in the wave 4 before we turn higher again. Now we still do not know yet what the wave 4 is going to be, but the right side is higher, so this is not really indication that anybody should sell it, because the right side is higher. So we do like the upside here rather than the downside or any kind of pullback. And typically wave 4 should be around 23.6, 38.2% retracement of the wave 3. If I zoom out a little bit into the daily, so we can see we from the April low, we have, if you count the number of swing, we have a 5 swing. So this is technically a bullish, a motive sequence, right? A 5 swing is a motive sequence, and therefore we should be looking for further upside as the right side. Besides, if you take a look at the rally from this low, 917, so if I copy this 1 and 2 here into the daily, this is where we are, 1 and 2. So we're looking for the rally from here. We should be ending 3. So let's see the Fibonacci extension here. Now if you do the measurement, we are near the 1.618. Typically that will kind of confirm that this is a wave 3, right, due to the extension here. And that also suggests that we should be getting a 4 and a 5, because your third leg extends 1.618, which is basically what we want to see in an impulsive rally. Wave 3 continues to extend quite strongly, right? So this wave 3 could be ending around 153.7, or because we are getting close there, I think basically we could be finished anytime now, right? So it's not not really a good idea to chase, but it's neither a good idea to sell. So what's the best way to do then is simply waiting for 3 to complete, and then when it starts to do wave 4, then we do continue to favor the upside because of the extension on the third leg and because of the 5 swing sequence from April low. So once we do see it with 4, we should be at least getting one more leg higher to complete this cycle here, and then get a 3 waves pullback again. Okay, so that is the idea here, guys, with the USD Yen right now. And as always, if you want to get more updates on the Forex, commodities, indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and only 99 cents if you are new members or never take the trial before. And you can use the link in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.